cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattoo my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt.
Its latest flagship, Find X8 and Find X8 Pro in India, and globally on November 21st. The upcoming flagship will feature the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset and Hasselblad-tuned camera system. In short, Oppo announces global launch date of Find X8 series. The Find X8 and Find X8 Pro will launch in India on November 21st. The devices will be powered by MediaTek's latest Dimensity 9400 chipset. It's official. Oppo has finally announced the global launch of its much-awaited Find X8 series, and the date is set for November 21st. The global launch, including in India, will see both the flagship Find X8 and Find X8 Pro arriving. The series features Hasselblad-tuned cameras and the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, offering a premium camera-focused experience with a powerful processor. The global launch follows Oppo's unveiling of the Find X8 series in China, which gave a glimpse of what the flagship will offer. At its core, the Oppo Find X8 series will house the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset, touted as the fastest chipset in Android phones to date. Early benchmarks even suggest that the Dimensity 9400 chipset outperforms Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is likely to give the Find X8 series an edge in handling demanding tasks like gaming, photography, and AI-based applications smoothly. Another highlight of the Oppo Find X8 series is Oppo's continued partnership with Hasselblad. Like its predecessors, both the Find X8 and Find X8 Pro will feature a camera system tuned by Hasselblad, referred to as the Hasselblad Master Camera System.
और अपर लेफ्ट कॉर्नर में LED फ्लैश मिलती है।